Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My video topic is Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib, Romanized Ali ibn Abi Talib, 600 to 661 C, was the cousin and son-in-law of the Islamic Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and was the fourth Rashidin Caliph who ruled from 656 to 661. His young Ali was raised by his elder cousin Muhammad, peace be upon him, and was among the first to accept his teaching. He played a pivotal role in the early years of Islam and revered by both Shia and Sunni Muslims for his courage, honesty, and unwavering dedication to Islam. He is considered one of the most important figures in Islam and is known for the following. He was the first male to accept Islam and was among the first to convert to the religion. He was the flag bearer of Muhammad's army. He was the fourth Rashidin Caliph who ruled from 656 to 661. Ali played a pivotal role in the early years of Islam when Muslims were severely persecuted in Mecca after immigration Hijrat to Medina in 622. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave his daughter Fatima to Ali in marriage and swore a pact of brotherhood with him. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam served as Muhammad's secretary and deputy in this period and was the flag bearer of his army. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam is revered for his courage, honesty, unbending devotion to Islam, magnanimity, and equal treatment of all Muslims. Memorious saying of Muhammad, peace be upon him, praised Ali, the most controversial of which was uttered in 632 at the Ghadir Khum. Whoever I am his Mawla, this Ali is his Mawla. The shrine of Hazrat Ali alayhi salam in Najaf, Iraq is a major destination for Shia pilgrimage. The legacy of Hazrat Ali alayhi salam is collected and studied in numerous books, the most famous of which is Nahjul Balagha. Well wishes all the viewers. Goodbye.